Hey there, it's Lisa from I Can't Wait to Travel. Anthony and I just got back from Napa Valley, the St. Helena region, and we stayed at the Alila Hotel. This is a must visit. So at this resort, they have a King Vineyard View Suite, and it is absolutely fantastic. You walk into the family room, and while you're there, you get to see all of the lounge amenities where you can just really relax, kick back, enjoy yourself outside of the actual bedroom. And just like most of the rooms at this property, the view is amazing. But with this particular room, you get both the vineyard view and also there's a stream on the other side of the room. So it's just so tranquil and goes with this Napa vibe that you're going to feel throughout the entire St. Helena. I love the warm grays and whites that just really make you feel so cozy amongst all that green outside in the balcony. And the star of the show is the bathroom. They made the bathtub the central point of the room with beautiful marble top counters for the sinks. And look at this shower. You can have a party in there. I really love the Alila Hotel. It's a great point to just get into Napa, see all of the hot spots, and really enjoy your time. Email info@ican'twaittotravel.com to book this hotel or to decide which other hotels may fit your style.